Hello everyone, this is Ina with Inichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today I have a guest again, Layla, and she come to cook for us traditional Mexican dish called
Arepas or gorditas.
Has many names, I guess. Depends which region you're from, right?
Yes.
What region you're from?
I'm from San Luis Potosí, which is right in the middle of Mexico. So we call it gorditas, bocoles, but if you're visiting South America, there will be arepas.
Okay, and for this dish we needed, as far I know,
Masa arepa or harina pan. Today we're using masa arepa, which is pre-cooked white cornmeal. We need mozzarella cheese to shred.
yeah, so this will be for the dough, right?
For the dough, it's just gonna be a dough, and then we can put more ingredients in the middle.
Also we need butter.
Butter.
Room temperature, it's important, right?
Yes.
Salt, garlic powder, and that's all we need for the...
And water.
And water, yes. Water, it's not an ingredient, right?
Yeah.
So this is what we need for the dough. And we're going to fill with fresh mozzarella, also with some braised chicken. You can use any chicken you like, right?
Yes.
I have leftover chicken. I
That's
cooked night before
Yeah.
in my crock pot, so that's nice. Let's do it. Just tell me what to do, what we start with.
Let's add a little bit of the masa arepa. Now, for me, it's just, I don't use measurements. I just kind of look at it, but I would
Right.
say like
Let's do
1 or 2 cups. Just
Okay.
that's half a cup.
We'll measure.
Okay.
I cook the same way.
Okay, so that half a cup.
No, we need more.
Some more, some more.
Okay,
Yeah.
now it's half cup.
Let's do 2 cups.
1 cup. 1.5.
There we go. Because
Two.
you'll all kind of
So 2
expand.
cup. How much salt?
Let's do 2 teaspoons for now.
2.
Yes.
1,
And
2.
2.
Mexican food, well salted.
Yeah.
we all know that, right? How much garlic powder?
Let's do 2 teaspoons because we love garlic. We want to have
2
that.
teaspoons.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I like that.
All right. 2 teaspoons. Okay, so
And,
water, hot, cold.
Well, let's do the water at the end because it will start to dry up if you add it before. So we want to add the butter and the shredded cheese first. You know, mozzarella. Right. I guess
This is 1 pound, so we're doing 1/4 of a pound.
you let's do big chunks. Yes. We don't want the smoke alarm to go.
What we're doing?
Do you want to film that spot?
Yeah, I think she does.
Okay. And then I'm gonna cut a little.
And how much butter?
How much you think is a tablespoon?
Last time you used 2 tablespoons.
I did.
I think
We did
so.
this much.
Yeah. Do you want me to do it?
If you want
You
to.
tell me how to do
Yeah.
it.
Remember, it has to be the perfect texture, so you'll feel it. It doesn't have to be.
Okay. So
Sure.
right about 1 tablespoon. So let's try with 1 tablespoon.
Careful, this is. I don't want to burn you. Maybe.
Hot water.
Yes. Hold on.
Okay.
Maybe you want to use a spatula so you don't burn. I use my hands, but I don't know how hot this is. And then maybe at the end we can use our hands.
Oh, now it's 4.
It's full.
So 1 cup and 4 tablespoons of water.
Yes, that's good.
But I believe it depends what brand of the cornmeal, right? Can be different.
Yeah, like the pan,
Lost.
the other brand
Yeah.
is super dry. That one you're gonna
It
use
depends
more.
how they hydrate because
Yes.
how they make this meal.
I don't know. I mean, like I said, back home it's all from the corn. If you feel it's dry, you can also just wet your
Okay.
fingers, see? And just make sure it's hydrated. That's what you want. Like roll it, like I just see. Touch my hands. And then make a bowl. And then it depends how big you want. And then you kinda make a little like how can I say, like a little thin, like and then close it. And if you wanna thicker, you can make them thicker, but
All right. The
And-
second one I want to do with chicken.
okay.
So we're going to do 1 cup and 4 tablespoons of water.
1 cup and 4 tablespoons. Okay. 1 cup and 4 tablespoons. Okay. And if you want to thicker, you can make them thicker, but
All right. The second one I want to do with chicken. Okay. Just a little bit, right? We don't need to.
So we don't need to fry them. We just need them to not stick.
Yeah.
Then put in the thicker ones. So.
As you see, they start cracking. You have to cook them pretty quick because the dough dry out. The cornmeal absorb all liquid and it start dry. So what we're doing that in order to avoid cracking.
So what you can do is like mix the dough, fill it in, and as you go, put it in the pan.
Quickly. Do not wait. We wait. So how to fix that?
Well, you can either add a little bit more of fat, but you can do water. Water will be better, kind of like moist them a little more, and then throw them back into the pan.
And we're going to serve this homemade fermented salsa, and I will link below this recipe. It's so cool, and I make once a year and many jars, and they keep for 9 months in my fridge. I'm so excited. I'm ready. My salsa is ready, and they're done. Look how beautiful they are. Oh my goodness, some with cheese. The cheese is melted. I think this one is ready too. The best part of the video, testing. And we serve this fermented salsa, and I'm actually hungry. I'm ready to dig in. I think this one is with cheese. Don't burn. I do want fried chicken.
I've not fried the chicken.
So good.
It's good.
The dough is not bland. You can taste garlic. Definitely can taste salt. So it has well-balanced flavor. And this little delicious salsa gives little tartness. It's actually delicious. Beautiful. Great appetizer or lunch or dinner with salad can make you satisfied on any occasion. Thank you for helping me make this dish and share with my YouTubers. I enjoyed to share with you, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I encourage you to cook everything from scratch. Bye, see you next time.